Here's today's advice for my son. Always think best case scenario. How many times have you been around people and they're like, well, I'm gonna try to do this. Worst case scenario, it doesn't work out. Why would you put yourself in a position where you're putting out the worst case scenario of something? Look, I live my life according to the law of attraction. I believe that as you think and speak and feel, you're gonna become. Now there's a gajillion videos about the law of attraction that you can go ahead and find out on YouTube, that talk about it in depth and how to use it and harness its power. And believe me, they're all amazing. At the end of the day, it boils down to this, okay? How you feel, how you speak, how you think, you're gonna become that. It's really very simple. So then why does it make any sense at all to go, worst case scenario? No. If you're gonna go do something and you're gonna say worst case scenario, you might as well stay home. Don't do it. Don't put your energies into something where you're already thinking that you're gonna fail. There should be no plan B. It should be a very simple thing. When you go after something, doesn't matter what it is. If it's a job, if it's grades at school, if it's buying a new car, doesn't matter what it is. If you're going after something, you think best case scenario. Hey, I'm gonna go get this job. Best case scenario, they give me the job I want and they pay me more than I even thought I wanted. I'm gonna go buy this car. Best case scenario, I'm gonna find it on sale. I'm gonna buy that house. Best case scenario, it's gonna be even better than I thought. Don't go with the worst case scenario. Always go with the best case scenario. It's gonna be a very tricky thing to do because a lot of people tend to think in the negative direction and they put their energies towards that. So it's gonna be a challenge for a lot of people, but really you just have to stay positive and focus on the best case scenario.